Where's the excavator hiding? Awesome, you got it! That's the excavator! Can you show me where the dump truck is? That's right! You found the dump truck! Can you tell me where the grater is? Nice work! You pointed to the right one. That's the grater. Which picture shows the cement mixer? Great job! That's the cement mixer. Can you guess which one is the trencher? You got it right! That's the trencher! Let's see if you can find the drilling rig. Great job! You found it! That's the drilling rig. Can you show me the tower crane? You nailed it! That's the tower crane! Which picture has the logging truck? Way to go! That's the logging truck.